Buying tokens on PinkSale using Trust Wallet is a simple process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through it. Set up Trust Wallet. If you haven't already, download and install Trust Wallet from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create or log into your Trust Wallet account. Access PinkSale. Visit PinkSale.finance using your mobile device or computer. Connect Wallet. On the PinkSale homepage, click the Connect Wallet button. Choose Trust Wallet from the list of supported wallets. Confirm wallet connection. Trust Wallet will prompt you to connect. Confirm the connection to establish a link between PinkSale and your wallet. Search for the token. Once connected, navigate to the Launchpad section on PinkSale to browse available token sales. Use the search bar to find the specific token you want to purchase. Participate in token sale. Click on the desired token and follow the instructions for purchasing it. Typically, this involves setting the amount of tokens you want to buy and approving the transaction. Confirm the transaction. The transaction will be initiated through your Trust Wallet. Review the details, such as token amount, fees, and gas, and confirm the transaction. Wait for confirmation. Once confirmed, the tokens will be sent to your Trust Wallet address. You can track the transaction status on the blockchain. Access your tokens. After the transaction is confirmed, your newly purchased tokens will appear in your Trust Wallet under the corresponding token's name.